a and b and x are positive numbers, then a over x equals x over b, then x is the geometric mean between a and b.
Theorem 8-1. If the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. If this is true, triangle ANC is similar to triangle NCB, and triangle NCB is also similar to triangle ABC.
Corollary 1. When the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, the length of the altitude is the geometric mean between the segments of the hypotenuse. This means that CN is the geometric mean between AN and BN.
Corollary 2. When the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, each leg is the geometric mean between the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse that is adjacent to that leg. That means that AC is the geometric mean between AB and AN, and BC is the geometric mean between AB and BN.
Working with geometric means may involve working with radicals. Radicals should always be written in simplest form. This means writing them so that, number 1, no perfect square factor other than 1 is under the radical sign. Number 2, no fraction is under the radical sign. Number 3, no fraction has a radical is denominator.
Pop quiz! What am I doing?
Theorem 8-2. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. This means that the sides A and B, the squares of them equals C squared.
Pop quiz!
Theorem 8-3. If C squared equals the sum of A squared and B squared, then the measure of angle C equals 90, and triangle ABC is right.
Some common right triangle lengths are 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15, 12, 16, 20, 15, 20, 25, and etc.
Theorem 8-4. If C squared is less than the sum of square and B squared, then the measure of angle C is less than 90, and triangle ABC is a cube.
Theorem 8-5. If C squared is greater than the sum of A squared and B squared, then the measure of angle C is greater than 90 degrees and triangle ABC is obtuse.
Pop quiz.
Theorem 8-6. 45, 45, 90 theorem. In a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is rad 2 times long as length.
In 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is twice as long as the shorter leg, and the longer leg is rad 3 times as long as the shorter leg.
Pop quiz!
The tangent of angle A equals the leg opposite angle A over the leg adjacent to angle A. This means that in triangle ABC, the tangent of angle A equals BC over AB.
Pop quiz!
The sine of angle A equals the opposite of angle A over the hypotenuse. This means that in triangle ABC, the sine of A equals BC over AC.
Cosine of angle A equals the leg adjacent to angle A over the hypotenuse. This means that in triangle ABC, cosine of A equals AB over AC.
Pop quiz!
If the top of the lighthouse is 25 meters above sea level, distance x between a boat and the base of the lighthouse can be found in these two ways. In the diagram, the angle of depression is 2 degrees and the angle of elevation is 2 degrees.
Method 1 gives us the answer x is approximately 716.3. Method 2 gives us the answer x is approximately 715.9. Because the tangent values in the table are approximations, the two methods give slightly different answers. A good answer would be the boat is roughly 700 meters from the lighthouse.
Pop quiz!